Giving birth to a child not only brings happiness and joy to a new mother, but also a whole lot of other responsibilities that fall upon her, as now she has to take care of a little one too. New mothers, especially nursing mothers, follow some strict dietary restrictions, as the diet they consume affects the little one too, as it feeds upon breast milk. Therefore, one of the most common questions that nursing mothers often ask is whether they can consume spicy food during breastfeeding or not. Curious to find the answer? Keep watching the video till the end then, as we share with you all the details of whether you should consume spicy food or not. Also, please subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week. Can nursing mothers eat spicy food? Well, coming straight to the point, fans of spicy food rejoice. It is typically safe to eat spicy foods even when you are nursing your child. Though a small amount of that spiciness is likely to make its way to your baby through your breast milk, that cannot adversely affect your child if he or she does not develop an allergic reaction to them. The taste of breast milk depends upon the diet that the mother consumes, and whatever the mother eats, the flavors will trickle down to the breast milk, infusing new flavors to it. Therefore, if a mother consumes a spicy meal, the breast milk will also have flavor of spiciness to it. According to pediatricians, consuming spicy food while nursing can also have potential benefits too. Number 1. It helps in early weaning. Many babies feel difficulty while switching to solid foods as the flavors are strong for liking, but introducing the flavors through breast milk allows the taste buds to develop an affinity towards the different tastes and make the process much easier. Number 2. Aids in the stomach to become stronger. The introduction of new tastes helps the stomach to get exposed to different flavors in a minimal form, and the digestive system becomes much stronger even before the solids are introduced to the baby. Number 3. Introduction to new flavors. It helps in stimulating the developing taste buds, and the baby therefore will have great taste recognition. Therefore, it is safe to say that the key here is to consume spicy foods in moderation and follow a healthy and balanced diet at all costs. Try to maintain a food log and note the items that you consume and the reaction of your child. If your baby shows negative reactions, then try to avoid the items for the time being and introduce them to your diet at a later stage. Negative effects of spicy foods on a breastfed baby. Due to the consumption of spicy foods, there is a change of flavor of the breast milk. However, it has been noticed that some babies may not tend to like the change in the taste, and it might have the following negative effects on the baby. Number 1. Development of a spice allergy. Although the condition is rare, it is not uncommon. The baby can develop rashes or hives on the skin. Number 2. Suffering from colic pain is common in young ones. However, spicy foods can trigger the condition in some cases. This condition generally causes extreme discomfort to the baby, and that can lead to bouts of them crying uncontrollably. Number 3. Consuming milk that has traces of spice can be unwelcome by the digestive system. This generally leads to the formation of gas in the stomach or the intestine. This generally leads the baby to pass flatulence more often, and that will irritate the baby throughout. Number 4. In some cases, if the baby likes the spiciness in the breast milk, then it can lead the babies to drink beyond their capacity, and that will probably lead them to puke it out or them becoming stubborn or fussy. You might wonder how to observe whether your baby is sensitive to the spiciness or not. So don't worry, we have got you covered on that too. What are the symptoms? Look out for these following symptoms, and if you observe any of the mentioned, then consider changing your diet or follow some other preventive measures. Number 1. Uncontrollable crying when feeding on the milk. Number 2. Consistent diarrhea, especially if the nursing mother consumes spicy food in the diet. Number 3. Inconsistent sleep cycle. Number 4. Refusal to drink breast milk. Well, now that we know, it is safe to conclude that it is okay for nursing mothers to consume spicy foods unless both the baby or even the mother develops any allergic reactions to it. However, if you are looking for the food options that should be avoided during the breastfeeding, then here is a short checklist for you. Number 1. Seafood that is high in mercury content. Number 2. Alcohol. Number 3. Excess caffeine intake in a day. The limit should not exceed 300 mg. Number 4. Herbal supplements, unless prescribed by a competent medical advisor. Now there you go. Hopefully the video was able to solve all of your queries. Please do like, share and comment down below, and provide to bring to you more interesting and informative content in the future.